y'all, it's TT's night. Now babysitting this one. Say hi, Jalen.
Hi, Jalen.
And it's 11 o'clock at night, Friday. I'm tired. And guess what he wanted to watch?
Every superhero has a secret identity. I don't know a single one who doesn't. Who wants
So I'm watching The Incredibles
all the time?
until he goes to sleep.
Of course I have a secret identity.
Saturday morning. And of course, got the nephews. Hi. And they're watching Caillou. Doing puzzles and stuff with Caillou. Even the littlest one.
Let's play again.
Look at him. He's really watching this. Yo, talking about you. Mr. 4, soon to be 5 months tomorrow.
There are 2 green dinosaurs that look like Betsy.
My baby's getting so big. Every time I get in the way of the TV, he's like, can you move, please? He's so cute. I'm gonna let some sun in. So y'all can see me. I don't know if you can see me. And then somebody is over here. What are you eating? Cocoa Puffs that you said you didn't like, that you never even had or tried. Don't try to tell me he don't like Cocoa Puffs. Baby boom, you don't know what Cocoa Puffs are. Gave him 2. He thought, I don't like these. I need a plate. I need some milk. I know you like Cocoa Puffs. You just don't know what they are. Don't play me, boo. I got this 90s baby. We know. You gonna eat these Cocoa Puffs. You gonna eat these Nugget Charms. You gonna eat these Captain Crunch Berries. You eat all this good cereal that I got up in here. You know what I'm saying? Don't insult the cereal. Okay? I'm just saying. Okay. Alright. So that's my Saturday morning rant. You know, even though I can't watch Transformers or X-Men. You know. But it's cool. It's for my children. Stand up.
Huh?
Stand up. Let me see you walk in your costume. Don't take it off. Stand up. And look what he put on. Where you going? Come back. Come back so I can take a picture. Come back. Stand right here. And
Take a picture!
You gotta stand right there. Look at Jalen. You gonna do your hula dance?
Yeah.
You gonna do your hula dance? Hey, what's going on, people? So it is Saturday, and me and the 2 Rugrats are on our way to AJ's first birthday party. Yay! At BB's house. Her nephew, the one that went to the beach with us, the little boy, his first trip to the beach. I think today's actually his birthday. Either today or tomorrow is his birthday. I want to say tomorrow is going to be his birthday. So it's pretty... No, today is his birthday. I'm sorry. Anyway, it's exciting. First birthday. And I had 2 Rugrats. I have a 4-month-old who will be 5 months tomorrow. And a 3-year-old. So it was kind of interesting getting all 3 of us ready. Yeah. They're both actually asleep right now. So it's kind of been a peaceful ride. But I'm hungry and I'm sleepy. So if this is just 12 hours, I can only imagine what having them for a long time would be. But anyway, I have on Missy. I wish I could fluff her for y'all. The one that y'all seen Brittany when we went to the club. Yeah, I have Missy on today. This is probably like my 5th or 4th time wearing her out. So I love this wig. I really like it. I won't be doing a separate review on it right now, but I really like this wig. It does tangle, but all synthetic wigs tangle, so that's not a big gripe to me. I don't brush these type of wigs out like this type of pattern. Like, I don't brush that out anyway, so I just kind of finger through it. I don't even finger comb it. I just kind of finger through it and try to pull apart the curls that I can. And so with that, this wig is great, and it was only $20 for this style, which I really like. So yeah, we are almost there, almost to BB's house, to the party. Turn up. I'm at the party. Look how nice it is what Brittany did. This is what she does. Isn't that nice? Got the wall where you sign in, and that go birthday boy. Isn't that nice? Hello. Mila's here.
Taking a video?
Yes, it's a video. Don't run. You are in it. Jalen. Hey, Millie.
Are we vlogging?
Yes, we're vlogging. Oh, Lord. You and Mika. Oh, now you want to be in it, huh? Hi. So we got this little area for the kids to eat. Hey, BB. Getting your work, girl. For the people. Isn't that nice? And we got pictures of the birthday boy. Look at them cheeks.
Hold on, camera, I would like to say Brittany has worked me to death. Woo, it took a lot to get this curve. First time. That nigga had me up to 7 o'clock this morning.
Ooh.
I love you, AJ. I love you.
It's for the baby. It's for the baby. Okay. Then we have the little area where the food and stuff set up. Some tools. It's a nice construction theme. Then we have the wet paint, the little paintbrushes. Isn't that neat? The fences. Then you got, don't put your finger in that bag. Got the logs. Lumber yard. Yes, baby. Yes.
Take a picture with no boy.
Okay. That's what I'm doing. You're trying to run me. And then we have the safety cone. We got the Cheetos, and look at the cake. I'm pretty sure she made the cake. Did you make the cake, Brittany? Yes. She made the cake. Girl, you just did it all. Hey, girl, you did doing it all.
These are my caution signs, but I didn't get a chance to put my caution on it.
That's all right. We get the point. We got the caution sign. You got the Build a Burger.
Hold on, don't touch this.
I've been trying to keep him or to knock him out. And then we have the cupcake tower. And of course, you gotta have the big balloon. So it's just a nice little setup that BB did, you know.
Hey,
AJ in the middle. Yeah, this is what she do. This her thing.
She ain't did that.
And this her assistant.
My assistant did that. She just cooked. Look, now I'm playing. She did. She decorated a lot. I did a lot of work too.
She flipping burgers over there. And Asia too.
yeah. The headache especially.
Decoration was feeling good last night.
Oh,
She
baby.
popped up and she came
That's
through
some
for
growing
me.
headaches.
Came through for me.
Come on, birthday boy. Oh, birthday boy walking.
I don't know, but he got a...
Say, I'm gonna break out on y'all today.
Oh, yeah, he just started walking and he won't stop crying.
It's Granny. And then these two right here. Future husband and wife. Yes. Yes. Yes.
You trying to get it? Put me back up there. Let me get it one more time. Let me try one more time.
Big brother, little brother, big sister, little sister. Future husband and wife, future husband and wife. Get it, birthday boy. Get it. Yeah. Yeah. Fussing. You all right? Y'all playing in the dirt?
Yeah.
Is it fun? You having fun?
Yeah.
All right. I see. The rain stop. All right. Jalen flirting. These two beautiful ladies. It's my nephew.
What's the last name?
3. Jalen. You flirting? Location is here. Yay. Hi, say hi to the people.
Messed up our conversation.
I don't care about what you guys are talking about. Hello. I put it in your face. Hey, Shay Shay. Y'all ain't met her though.
I'm eating, but I ain't eating.
I'll wait for you to pick up your food. I'm gonna come back. All the decorations coming down. Hold on. I need you to focus better than that. Alright.
Aftermath.
It's looking bare in here now. Things coming down. Thanks to these two. Say hey to the people. Say hey to the people. Cousin putting them to work. Appreciate it. So how do you feel? How do you feel? How did the party turn out for you?
Party turned out great. It was, a success. None of the
You
kids.
tired?
The kids cried. I like that because they didn't want to go home.
Yeah, they did.
But if I could show y'all these feet, no. If these feet were TV appropriate, they look how they feel. All I can say. They probably feel worse than they look, and they look bad.
They don't look that bad.
Okay, well, they look bad.
She's exaggerating. They really don't look bad. She's exaggerating. That's because you're old.
I feel like I didn't went to the Old Testament. and one day, it's going to stop.
But you did a good job.
All right.
Good job. He just done upped and started walking on us.
Yeah.
The last time I seen you, which was just 7 days ago, you wasn't walking.
Yeah, right. That's how he did too.
Then he gonna flip it over.
That's how he played with his toys. He flipped everything upside down. Flip it upside down. And he rolled the toy. Yeah. He rolled the wheel.
There you go.
Watch you gonna flip it. Yeah.
There you go.
That car. He flipped that car over.
AJ. Hey, JJ. Hey.
Oh, and he loved his pillow. When Mama showed him his token truck
Thomas the
pillow,
Train is
he looked
on.
at, he smiled and he hugged it.
Hey. AJ.
That's his favorite.
You liked your party today? Yeah.
Yeah, fun.
You had fun? Huh?
Time to go to work.
All right. Look at him. He get to walking.
Find your next.
Tell her you find yours first. How you feel about the party, Rocky? Huh? Rocky, how did you feel about the party?
I wasn't invited.
You wasn't invited. That's all right. My big fluffy puppy.